Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Razr 5G, and let me show you how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll to the accounts, let's tap on it and tap on Add Account. Now let's choose Google, obviously, and make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, so let me do it. Okay, now let's get back and tap on Add Account again, Google. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay. And tap on Next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so tap on Accept. And I don't know why we couldn't sign in. Let's get back. But as you can see, the Google account has been added successfully because it is here. So now let me show you how to remove it. Just tap on the account you want to remove and click on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. So that's all. This is how to add and remove a Google account from your Motorola Razr 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.